Okay, so the next thing we'll be doing is to create the app. So, in order for you to create the app, um, we will need to change our directory to Jomai to be able to create the app. So, to change the directory, just say cd, um, mm, then you enter. The next thing is we are going to create the start app project. So, the next one is you say Django admin um, start start up start up start up. You can see my app, right? Then Django start up. Then you enter. So next thing now is after you've written the Django admin start app, you can then go to um, can go to my app, then go to Gmail, then go to settings, then you scroll down, you see installed apps. So then under installed app, you just add this recent one that you just finished adding. Then you can now say my app as the name of, so that is what you did here. That's what you did here. So you just add it. Okay, so next thing now is let's run the server. So in order for you to run server in Python, so you say Python manage.app manage.py run server. Then you run your server. So it's going to give you a link. So this is the link that it has given you. Then you now open the Python. So we have successfully installed our Python Django. So let's go back to our code and see what we need to do. So the next thing we are doing is to do migration. So in order for us to do the migration, we will close the server that's running with Control C. Then once you press Control C, you now do the migration. So you say Python, so you say Python manage.py migrate. Okay, then you now run that. All right. So we have been able to migrate the database to enable us to create the super user. So in order to create the super user, say Python manage.py, then you say manage.py, then you now say create super user, then you run your code. So now in this username, you now write the name of the user. So let's say my username is Funong, right? Then I'll enter email address. I'll say Joshua 648 at gmail.com. Then you enter then password. I'll enter my password. So it's not going to show. So the best thing is for you to enter what you can easily remember. So I'll enter what I can easily remember. So I'll enter to confirm it again. So so yes, so you just press yes, right? So it's saying super user created successfully. So after you're done creating the super user, the next thing you want to do is to run the server so that you can be able to access the admin. So in order to run the server, you say Python manage dot py run server. In order for you to run the server, then you enter. Now it has gone. Then you just click on this, and so it's definitely not going to work here. So you come here and then you say admin, then you enter. So it has given us okay, so here I use full now. Then my password is 1, 2, 3, 4. That was what I used. Then I can go ahead and save it. So I've successfully logged in. So you can see like the user. So now your function as the backend developer is to be able to manage whatever the users of the website or the app you are creating will be seeing. You are the one to manage it. So yeah, that's basically how you can be able to install this application. So under users, you can add as many users as you want, right? So here you can say, let me say, I want to add, let's say 1 day, for instance. 1 day is the username. Then I can come here and type the password before. Then I can come here to confirm the password. So it depends. So once you are done, you just click on save and the user will be added. So that will enable you to be able to have access to that will enable other persons to be able to have access to what you are doing.